All right, guys. So, welcome to class. Osana, Carton, Amara, Benigo, JD. Welcome to class. Few of the students are not here yet, so hopefully they'll join us sooner than later. But today, like I said earlier, we will be going over a little bit of bash scripting, and I just want to briefly elaborate on the importance of bash scripting. As a Linux system admin or as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, you need to know and be comfortable with at least one scripting language. That's a question you're going to get every time on the interview. What scripting language are you familiar with? What scripting language have you worked with? What scripting language are you comfortable with? You're going to have that question on the interview. Even if you don't ask it on the interview, you're going to need it on the job. So we're going to review. We did a little bit of batch scripting the last time when we automated the server inventory a couple of weeks ago, but we're gonna go a little more into that so we can play around with it. And then if you can ask some questions and stuff, we can go into that. For those of you that have not installed or integrated your Grafana and Splunk, we'll touch on that tomorrow. Um, that's AB's area. I don't want to venture into that too much tonight. Okay. So we'll focus on bash scripting tonight, and then we can touch on that. Hopefully, we can finish it tomorrow. But I would say about 95% of it is already done. Okay. So with that being said, um, I do. Has everybody installed VS Code on the computer yet? So everybody installed VS Code. VS Code is Visual Studio Code. Yes, no, maybe, probably, probably not. Please type in the chat and let me know if you have VS Code on your computer. Okay. So if you haven't installed it, it's not a big deal. Let me check who has it and who does not. Benigo has it. Don't forget. Okay. Bendu has it. Amara have it. Jimby, no. Kona, Carlton, do you have it? Do you have VS Code? Yeah, Kona have it. Okay, that's great. All the old students should have it on the computer already. Okay. So it's not a big deal if you don't have it. You can always copy and paste the code directly into your terminal. But VS Code is kind of unique. It's kind of cool, and most of the time, this is what you see the engineers will be working with developers, DevOps engineer, whosoever. They all work with Visual Studio Code. There are other tools you can use, which is your mobile extern, right? You can also use mobile extern, same thing. You can use VS Code, same thing. All right. Okay. So for those of you that have it, that's great. Those of you that don't, those of you that have it, you can use it. For those of you that don't have it, what I would do, I will use both of them. I will just copy my code from here and paste it into um this server, my Ubuntu server, through my mobile extern. Okay. So don't worry about it. All right. So with that being said, let's go into our home directory. Please pull up your machine. We're gonna get busy with the machines today. For me, I don't like too much talking. I like for go into action. So let us create a directory here called bash scripting, right? mkdir. We call it bash also scripting, right? L. Amara cannot SSH into his server. Oh, we don't have an issue at the back end. Yeah, give me 1 second, okay? All right. Oh my God. So you guys cannot SSH, that means we have an issue in the back end. Um, Let me see. Do I have any of my admin on here? No, no. Okay. All right. Yeah, yeah, Benny, that's what I'm saying. If everybody is having problem logging in, then I mean it's a problem from the on the back end. Um, all right. So what I'm going to do, let give me 1 minute. Let me go quiet my kids down a little bit. They're being too loud. Give me 1 minute. What I will do is I will open a new machine for all of you guys on my account just for today, just for this project, okay? I do not have any of my admin on here to be able to fix this in the back end. So we will we will spin up temporary machines for now, so we can just use it for this project. Okay. So before I do that, is it everybody that cannot log into the machine? Who else is able to log in, or who is able to log in? Please tell yes if you can, and tell no if you cannot. Okay, Abednego is able to log in. Okay. Amara cannot. JB no. Litton is okay. Okay, that means it's not a backend issue then. Please put your stuff in there. Kona cannot. Bendu cannot. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let me see if we can resolve the issue, okay? But we're not gonna spend too much time on it. Kona, please share your screen. Let's see what you got. For those of you that can't, let me just copy this code and send it to you so you can paste it in your terminal, okay? Whatever you're using for terminal, you can just copy and paste this code in there. Uh, Copy. No, I don't need this. Could I give me 1 second? I'm coming. Um, so you can copy the code from here. Just copy that whole thing and paste it in your. You're gonna create a script. The script name should be ATM script. All right. So create a script. Let me just do this real quick, guys. Give me 1 second. For those of you that are able to log into your machine, create this directory. Create this directory by running this command. Okay, mkdir bash underscore scripting. That's the name of the directory. Okay, do that. And after you create that directory, we're going to cd into that directory. We got nothing in here, right? Well, these are system files. So now we're going to touch our script called ATM underscore script dot sh, right? You're going to create that. And then we have the ATM script is in here. So now you're going to VI into this ATM script, right? Go to your insert mode, and then you paste. Okay, let me recopy it on here.
We can see a screen.
I thought I was sharing my whole screen. Okay, let me do that again.
I think it's seeing corner screen.
Oh, that because that corner sharing. Let me reshare, sorry. Corner, give me 1 second here. Let me just get the other guy set up, then we'll go into your machine. You see my screen now, right? Do you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Take that as a yes. Right now you're pasting here like this. You want me to do this? Okay. So yes, guys, those of you that have your machine running, follow the instruction I just did. Create a directory called um bash scripting, bash underscore scripting, then cd in a directory. Then in that directory, you're going to create a script called ATM underscore script dot sh. VI into that script, copy and paste the script that I posted in the group tab and put it inside here. When you're done, save, and that's it. All right. So let me put this command. You guys should all be familiar with these commands now. But let me just put it in here just for the sake of the argument. All right. So you're gonna create this directory. In that directory, you're gonna oh, I didn't put the other command. But as soon as you type this command vim ATM script, it's gonna take you straight in that file, even though you haven't created it yet. So this is correct. Okay, you can do that. All right. So are we good with that? Anybody having issue with it before I move on to the server issue? Are we good? All right. I'll take that as a yes. Kola, you can reshare your screen. Let's look into your server issue.
What's right here? And this IP address that AB gave us this long time. The
Which
170,
one?
the 172.31.44.180.
Let me see if I'm able to. I don't have your um. I don't have your how to call it keypad. Okay. Um. All right. Conan, copy your IP address and paste it in the group, and then let me see if somebody can ping your server that have the same keypad as you do. Copy it from right on the side there. You can just highlight it and copy it on the side. Yeah, right there. Not the whole section though. You just need to copy that IP address. Or just type it in the chat.
Yeah, I don't
172.31.44.180.
72.
31,
Mm.
44, 180. Okay. All right. Lita, can you gonna let pause the screen for 1 minute? Who else were able to log into the server besides Lita? Because sometimes Lita internet can be slow, so I want to see if anybody else can do it. Abednego,
I did, but I'm having a little bit error, so I'm trying to log in again. Just give me a few minutes.
okay. Okay, Benega got it. Who else? Lita, you can share your screen and try to ping this IP address that Conan just posted. Lita, you hearing us? I think you're on mute though. Is he still on? No, I don't even see him on again. Yeah, he probably not on. Okay, Benega, how far we are logging in now?
Just give me a few minutes, just one minute.
You want to share your screen?
Can you see my screen? I'm trying to
Not yet.
log in.
Yeah, we can see it now.
Mhm. Tell me I'm able to open connection. Okay, let's see again.
Yeah, but do you see how you type the IP address in? You got dash dash instead of point
Oh, mommy.
period.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, I will go.
So that was your problem right there. Go into root. All right, clear your screen and try to ping that IP address Kona posted. Let me see whether it have connectivity to that server. So just type PING, copy and paste that IP address right in front of the PING space. Yeah. All right, enter. Okay, so that server is done. It cannot be pinged. Okay.
Draw Amara onto, let's see what it.
Yeah, just hit Control C. Amara, please paste your IP address in there. Let's try to ping your server.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Hope you guys aren't using the old IP address.
Yeah, hope not. I don't have access to the back end for that account, so I may have to create a temporary server for you guys just for this project.
AB sent a new IP. You know, everybody call that.
Amara, you got your IP address?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to copy.
Okay. Oh, you can just say it to Abednego because he's hearing you.
Okay, it's 18.223.
Hold on, I may even start typing it. Abednego, just ping. You're gonna ping it again. Okay, 18.
Dot 223
The
dot one,
223?
yeah, 223
Okay,
dot 120 and dot 75 223 120 75
that's it, right?
75, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, there's no connectivity.
Can I
Okay.
try mine too?
Yes, yes, please.
Abednego, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
18 to 219 to 116, 116 to 138.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, no
It worked
connectivity.
for me. It did work for me
Okay.
like 2 days ago, so I don't know why not.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it depends. Sometimes for some reason it happened to me. the availability zone changed on my account. So when I went to go try to log in, I couldn't even access my account. So I don't know exactly what it is until I actually look at the actual console. So what I would do, um, let me reshare my screen. But this is something you guys gonna have to learn how to do. So what I'm doing it, I will use that as a learning experience for you guys. I will create how many people are 3 or 4, right? 3 people that don't have IP addresses, that don't have servers running.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So let me use my personal account here. Minimize this for a little bit. All right. So when you go to the your AWS your account, usually let me go all the way back from the beginning.
The class is being recorded, right?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
Okay, right here. When you log in, this is what you're gonna see from the get-go, right? And your mission here is you want to create an instance, right? You want to create an EC2. Go back one more step and see. Okay, yeah, this is what you're gonna see when you log in. Perfect. Right here. So when I'm talking about availability zone, let me move you guys from here. What is one, two? This is your availability zone here. If you look here, they have all these availability zones around the world, right? Um, in the US, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever availability zone that you open or you spin your EC2 in, that is the zone you have to be in before you can access that server, right? So in a typical example is like say you in a physical office, right? Your office have 2 different headquarters, right? Regional headquarters. So your physical computer is in Boston. Your office is in Boston, right? And your computer is not a laptop, it's a desktop. You think you can go to California and be able to work on the same computer you have in the office in Boston? I mean, just forget about the idea about virtual machine and all that kind of stuff. I'm talking about physical machine. You cannot have your machine in Boston in your office, then you go to California, what they have a temporary office for you, then you expect to have that same physical machine that in Boston to be in our office. It's not possible. Virtually, it is possible, right? So the idea I'm trying to tell you is that when you open EC2, when you spin up EC2 in North Virginia and you access your account, you got to make sure you're in North Virginia to be able to access the EC2. That's the idea I'm trying to push. Okay? So be mindful with this. For some reason, one time mine changed from Virginia to Ohio, and I was confused all over the place. Where am I EC2? I couldn't find them. So you gotta be mindful with this right here. All right. So you log into your AWS console. When we get to AWS, you guys are gonna all have access to the school account. But for now, I'm just spinning up temporary machines for you guys. So um, we're gonna go to EC2, right? And then you go to EC2 dashboard, and then you see right here they say launch instance. Right now I have 2 instances running, and I have one key pair. Okay, the instances I'm going to open for you, I will assign a new key pair to them. So I will say launch instance. This is how you create instance on an EC2, on an AWS account. All right. So you can name the instance any name you want to name it. And for now, we're gonna call it bash, right? Let's just call it bash. Bash underscore server. Let's do that. And then over here, you can get to decide how many instances. So instead of you creating one instance at a time, so maybe your supervisor or they give you a task to create an instance, right? Instead of you creating one instance at a time, you can just come right here and increase the amount of instance you want to create. So let's make it 5 just in case somebody need one. All right. So we're gonna create 5 instances at once. And then what do we want to use? We want to use Ubuntu as our OS, right? The operating system. We're using Ubuntu for these instances. So we click on Ubuntu. We click on Ubuntu. We're gonna go with the 24.04, right? That's the latest right there. Then we'll come down here. We're gonna select the instance type. The smallest instance in the AWS cloud is called T2 macro. Don't one time I went for an interview, they asked me this question. Because I told the people say I'm an AWS cloud practitioner certified. Well, my certificate is right there anyways. That time I just got my certificate. So when I went for the interview, they asked me what is the smallest instance on the AWS console. I said T2 macro. So you gotta know this, okay? So T2 macro, then we'll have T2 nano. So T2 macro is 1 gig. T2 nano is 1.5 gigs. So nano is the smallest now. Okay. Size wise. Okay. So T2 macro, and then we got T2 small, which is 2 gig. And this one charges 0.37 USD. That's less than a cent per hour. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're just doing a bash scripting on the server. So let's take the T2 macro, okay? We don't need too much stuff on it. Now, for the key pair, I can use this key pair, or we can create a new key pair. Create a new key pair. And because we are using mobile extern, so we are going to use PAM key pair. If we are using PuTTY, then we're going to take the PPK key pair. All right. So since we're using mobile extern, we're going to go create key pair on RSA. Create key pair. Oh, we got to give it a name. Okay. So let's just give it bash. All right. Let's give it bash. Name of the key pair bash. Create key pair. Key pair is created. So let's go to this key pair because you're going to need it. All right. Let me copy bash and send it to y'all in the chat. Hopefully, there you go. So you gotta download that key pair and save it in a location on your computer that you're gonna be able to access it easily. For those of you that I'm creating the machine for, please download this key pair that I just posted in the chat. All right. Okay. Let me just a minute. So my key pair is in PC, local C, user, C mobile, download. That's the location it's in. All right. So after we created our key pair, we needed bash. Security group, we have this everywhere. We don't need to add all this stuff to it, but we're just creating. So the storage configuration, let's make it 10 gig. All right. Um, we don't need to add volume. So we selected 5 instances, right? So now we're gonna say what? Launch instance. Boom. We just created 5 computers at once. 5 computers at once. How do we access this computer we just created? Let's go back to instances right here. Okay, I see them. So we can actually change the name. We can call it bash server 1, correct it. And then we can call it bash server 2. We can call it bash server 3. We can call this number 4. And then we can call this one 5, right? Call it 5. And just refresh. All right, so we got 5 computers already running, right? They're already running. Everything is in the east. All right, so the first computer, we're going to assign this one to Bindu. So Bindu, this is your IP address.
All right.
Let me paste it in the group chat and put your name to it. Oh, come on. Why not? Okay. So BENDU, and this is yours, okay? Ladies before gentlemen. So let's come back. So server 1 was Bindu. Server 2, let's give it to the boss man himself, and that's Amara. Give that to Amara. And then server 3, who else needed a server?
Owner.
Kona, the Oga Pata Pata himself.
Hmm.
That's for you. And then anybody else? I think there were 4 of you, right? Who else needed one? Nobody?
One
Okay.
second.
I'm gonna post that in here. If you need it, go and grab it. Okay, that'll be it. So the spare server, let me try to SSH into it. Don't forget now, you have to make sure you download the key pair, or else you're not gonna be able to connect to that server. Paste my IP address in here. Specify. Okay, so the user, guys, is very important. The user on this server will be, let's go to connect. The user will be Ubuntu, okay? Ubuntu,
Hmm.
lowercase. And that's the same user for all of you. That will be a user. All right. Come back here. Specify UBNTU port 22. You go to advanced SSH settings. Click on use private key. Come here and go find your private key. Bash pen. This is it right here. Click on that. Open and okay. There we go. I'm in the server already.
I'm in as well.
Okay. Please let me know if you are able to log into that server. If you are not able to, hopefully log into it. Is everybody in now? Guys, communicate with me now. Okay,
Yes,
Amara is
yes,
good.
yes, I mean,
Okay, Benu is good. Amara is good. Kona, what about you?
yes, I'm good.
Okay. All right. So that means everybody got a server now. Okay. So now let's go back to what we were doing before. So those of you that just got your server, you're going to create, go back to the messages, not this one, and you will see the instruction that I put in there, right? So the first thing is you're going to create a directory. All right, you're going to create a directory running this command right here. So please copy and paste that command. First of all, you're going to go to home, cd home, cd space /home. So you're gonna create that directory in your home directory. Okay. When you're done with that, just tap done in the chat so we can progress. Are we together?
So,
God, it
can I
should not
put
take you
the,
30
I
seconds.
should create a 4-digit pin? Because that's where
A pin? No, you shouldn't be creating any pin. Why are you creating pin here?
that's why asking me. Let me go back and see something. Because
Um,
I'll copy and paste uh and telling me to do.
um, share your screen. Let me see. If it's probably
Okay.
it's probably a feature of my VS Code. I don't have a. Did I create? Oh no, did you run a script?
Yeah.
No, I didn't ask you to run a script.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah, you're way ahead of us. But let
Sorry.
me see what you're doing. Don't close yet. Reshare your
Because
screen. Let me see what you're doing.
okay, you see my screen? Come here, let me see.
Yeah, I see your screen.
Yeah, that's why I am.
Oh, you running it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, sorry. My bad.
Just hit Control C.
Okay. Let me stop sharing.
Control C, get out of there. Okay. So, show me your terminal. Are you using VS Code to do this, or are you using your mobile extern?
Mobile stream.
All right, let me see your mobile extern screen. I want to make sure you in the right directory and created the um
Okay.
bash scripting directory, and then in that directory, create the file for the script.
Alright. Oh, let me play. So you said CD home, right?
Yeah, first of all, go to root.
Okay.
Perfect. Dash I. Okay. Now, yeah, go to home directory. Guys, please follow this. I don't want to do it for everybody. Okay. And then you make that directory, copy the command and put in the chat. Or if you know it, you can just run it. mkdir and then the name of the.
Oh, okay. Let me go back. I'm not seeing it yet though. Let's see why.
Yeah, keep going up. It should be all the way up.
Okay.
Oh, probably not. Calm down, calm down. Pass by that script. Let me below the script. Yeah, pass by this one. Keep going. Keep going down.
Um,
Okay. Okay, right there, right there. Oh, you pass by it. Go back a little bit more.
this. Oh,
Right,
okay.
right
It's
above
here.
that
All
one.
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So copy that command and run it. Okay, then you can copy the next one, the one you're showing earlier.
Mm.
Yeah, that one. Enter. Now go to insert mode, just tap on I, letter I.
Mm.
All right, now go grab the script from that same message and paste it in there. Yeah, this whole thing right here. Paste it in there. Perfect. Now you can save it, escape, shift
Escape.
colon, shift and colon together.
Uh, escape shift.
Yeah, shift, escape, yeah, right there. And then WQ, enter. Okay,
Okay.
that's where everybody should be now. Are we all? Oh, okay, so we did something wrong. Go back there, Dindo.
Oh, sorry, I stopped
We
sharing.
created a directory, but we did not CD in a directory.
Okay.
Go back to your mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So LL for me. Enter. Yeah, you see, so that script is supposed to be inside of that bash scripting directory. So what you can do, you can move it there. So do pwd for me.
Mm-hmm. Enter.
Enter, yeah. Okay, you're in home. So you're gonna move it, so say MV. God,
You
this is
see?
another,
Mm-hmm.
how they call it. Teddy, please grab the script from where it is. Why do I have to put it in the WhatsApp chat? MV,
NV or
M as in Mary.
okay. All right.
MV space,
Mm-hmm.
that's move. That's the command for move.
All right.
Space. And then just type ATM and then your tab key.
ATM.
ATM tab. No,
Oh, sorry.
no,
ATM.
no. You raise the whole thing. You got PWD there.
Okay.
So MV
MV
space
space tap
ATM.
ATM.
Your tab key is on the left side of the keyboard, all the way on the left
Yeah.
side.
So
Hit that.
I should hit it? Okay.
Yes. It's gonna auto populate your whatever you're typing.
Okay.
Mostly moving that script to um slice home, slice bash. Just tap bash and then hit tab again. Let's see if it will autocorrect. Perfect. Enter. So what we just did, we created the ATM script, but we did not create it in the right directory. It was supposed to be in our bash scripting directory, but we created it in a home directory. So instead of cding into bash scripting directory to recreate that script, what we did, we just move it there. So the command you just ran, that's what we just did. So now LL again, you're not going to see the script in here again, just LL.
Enter.
Enter. Do you see ATM script in there again?
No.
No. So now cd into bash scripting, you see it in there.
PD.
cd space bash tab. Enter. LL. Enter. See the right in there?
Yeah.
So when you have these basic skills, it make your job so easy and make you so professional. Okay?
Okay.
So everybody, are we in our home bash underscore script directory and created the ATM script already? Please type yes in the chat. Teddy wanted me to paste this script in the in the
Yeah,
WhatsApp group. So let me do that.
yeah.
But Teddy, try to use what everybody else is using. I don't understand the point behind me
Yeah,
putting it in.
the reason being is that because the computer not connecting to the hotspot because the network. Everybody
Oh,
had
okay.
every example of rain. So I'm just monitoring it.
Okay, no problem. I just put it in there. So who
Good.
are on track now? Who are on track? Um, Abednego is on track. Guys, please type a yes in here. Let me make sure you got this thing. We gotta do this thing together.
Yeah, I am too.
I
Thank
am
you.
too.
But
Okay.
the script has the FI at the end. Is this supposed to be there?
Yeah. FI mean finish.
Okay, great.
So we all good? I'm not JB. Please Help me pronounce your name right. I don't want to keep pronouncing it wrong. JB Willie, are you with us? Are you just listening in? If you're talking to us, you stay on mute though. Okay. What about Daniel Fayad? Are you with us?
Ja, but jag har aldrig tänkt på new in here.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any of your system installed yet?
No.
Okay, okay. All right.
I copied the
Okay.
script and I stopped my own into FI.
Yeah, yeah. It's supposed to stop the FI. Okay. It's supposed to stop the FI. All right. So everybody is good. Kona is good. Amara is good. JB is good. Carton is good. Bendu is good. Beningo is good. Solo, I don't know if you're following us or you're just listening in. Teddy's having network issues, so he's just listening in. Okay. So let me reshare my screen and let's do this. So here we are. Please don't freeze. Oh my God. Oh, my computer always freezing. Let me see. Man, I have to reopen this. Let me see here. Yeah, close. Let me reconnect. So CD home LL CD dash. So my script is in here. So everybody should be in this directory, guys. PWD, you should be in home bash underscore scripting. That's where you should be. All right. Um, before we execute this script, I want us to go inside of it and go over some of the lines in there. I kind of peruse through the whole script. Okay. So to do that, let's VI. You can use Vim, you can use VI, whichever one you're comfortable with. All right. So in the real world, as a professional, when you're writing a script, um, not even as a professional, when you're writing a bash script, the first line in the bash script is called shebang. Guys, there was an interview question for me way back. I told the people I can read bash script. So one of the interviewer asked me, what is the first line in your bash script? Shebang. And shebang is what? Asterisk, or which is asterisk, or hashtag, exclamation mark, forward slash, main bash. That's the very first line of a bash script. Now, in a professional world, go to your insert mode. When you write your shebang, you're going to put the author who wrote this script, right? The author, put your name there. Chris, put your name, right? What is the purpose of the script? So that when anybody come in the script, they read it, the heading, they know script exactly what is this for. The purpose of this script is right here, ATMY simulator script. That's the purpose of the script right there. So we can come down here and remove this one. All right, enter. Now, what is the date? The date the script was written. Because sometimes some of these commands can get deprecated over the years. So you want to put a date so where anybody come in here to know that, oh, this script is an old script. So some of the commands, if it doesn't work, I can go by and update the commands. All right. So you put a date there. You say what? July 18, 2025. Sometimes you want to put your department name, you can put it there whatsoever. But you have to create a heading for the script. Okay? So now we come down. The purpose of this script is what? ATM simulation, right? When you go to the ATM, you put your card in. When the machine read your card, what does it tell you? It tell you to select, to enter your PIN, right? When you enter your PIN, depending on what is the PIN that is set on that card, the machine can detect whether that PIN is wrong or not. It's exactly what we're going to do here tonight. And depending on your balance, you can be able to withdraw certain amount, right? So you see what is the name for this? What's the word I want to use? Well, in math they call it integer, but in scripting, what is the word for this? I'm having a brain freeze. I'll come back to it. So these values that we set, we're going to be playing around with these values so we can alter the output of the script. Okay, we're going to play around with these values because it's based off of this value that how the computer will input. The computer will tell you access denied or will give you your money or not. Guys, these are the things that the engineer does in the background to program the ATM machine. Just simple script like this operating on a whole ATM machine. And most of the ATM machine that I know, they use Ubuntu. The OS on those ATM machines is Ubuntu servers that are running behind in the back end. Okay? All right. So the first thing it will ask you, it will say echo, welcome to our ATM. And you can actually change. You can change this, you can alter the script. So the first thing, we're going to leave everything generic as it is. And then as we go on, play around with the script, we're going to change some stuff in there, okay? All right. So when you enter the card, it will tell you, it will give you the welcome message. Welcome to the ATM. Please enter your 4-digit PIN. Now, the value. What is the word I'm trying to use here, guys? Somebody help me out now. Am I right? When you assign a value to a sentence, how do you call that in scripting? We do that in math. We do algebra and stuff, but in math they call it integer. But in scripting, there's a name for it. I'm just having a brain freeze with that. Hopefully, I can get it before the end of the class. All right. But whatever value you assign to this correct thing, you are calling the value inside of this script. That's what this thing is doing. So it say welcome to ATM. Then it say read. Please enter your 4-digit PIN. The 4-digit PIN that you will enter here, you will have to match the 4-digit PIN that is assigned to that card. If it doesn't match, you see it say verify PIN. Enter PIN. If the PIN is correct PIN. So the correct PIN is calling this value right here. Enter PIN is calling this value. So when the PIN is not correct, and your correct PIN is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, echo will show that incorrect PIN, access denied. Exit, the machine will exit. FI, finish. But then, if that PIN is correct, then it will go to show balance and prompt for withdrawal. Then it will say echo, PIN verified successfully. Your current balance is. So this variable balance is assigned to 1,000. When you did algebra before you understand integers, what they say if x is equal to 2 and y equal to 4, find the value. That's the basic concept. That's what we're doing here now. That's how engineering works. So after it's verified that this withdrawal amount, right, is equal to balance, they have to match. So validate withdrawal. If you try to put any amount that is greater than this balance, the machine will deny. It will say a valid amount enter. If a valid amount enter, insufficient fund. But if that number is less than or equal to this number, please collect your cash. Remaining balance, it will show you how much is left. This is the basic script that work in the back end of your ATM machine in conjunction with your card. So Chris, you explained all the thing now. So let's go put it into practice. And please, everybody, guys, everybody is gonna run this thing and we're gonna make sure that you understand what's going on here. So let's do this. I didn't write anything in here, so I'm just gonna use Q. Did I write something? All right, I'm still gonna use Q and then
You
put
write your name,
exclamation.
Chris.
Oh yeah, editor A, so I have to save it. Okay, so let's do WQ then. Thank you for that. All right, so let's run the script. I don't want to run the script myself. Let somebody volunteer to share the screen. I should call name.
I can share my screen.
No, I'm all right. I want you today.
Want to share my
Somebody else.
screen?
No, Abednego. Why Benu?
I
Benu
just
gone?
the call money.
Yes. You
Okay.
can be here someday, you're not here. So let use you today small. Tell your screen, Benu. You come and run your script today and tell how your ATM can work. You mind closing the chat right on the left there, just to kind of reduce the amount of stuff. Anyway, that's okay. Just make your screen a little bigger, the mobile extra. Drag it, click up there and drag it on the left side. Just click and drag it. Then you can use that button you're looking for right there. Okay. All right. So okay, close out of this.
I shouldn't save. I just
You want to save because you wrote stuff in there, right? So
yeah.
when I say close, I actually mean save and quit.
Okay. So PQ. Oh no. Escape.
No, don't do that. Yeah, erase that. Erase that double key you wrote over there.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, right there. So escape first, and
Mhm.
then shift and colon together, and then WQ.
Oh,
What is she saying?
no
Do it
fine.
again. Escape,
Escape. Shift.
shift
Oh.
colon,
Mm-hmm.
WQ, put exclamation mark to it. WQ, then exclamation mark.
MP.
Enter. Why are you saying no file name? What did you do?
I was just trying to. I was just following you, editing, the putting my name, the date. So I don't know whether.
Okay, I trying to see what you did wrong. Why is you saying no file name? Okay, you know what you do? Just close the whole window. Use the small X right next. Yeah, that one. Close it. Yes, and then reopen it. Is that the server I sent you? The IP
No.
address I sent
Oh
you
no.
earlier?
Is it? Is it? Okay.
Okay. So switch to root and go back to the directory you were in earlier. No, CD/home.
Okay.
slash home, and then slash bash. Just say bash and tab. Okay, enter. LL, enter. Okay, your script is right there. So VRM, space,
Enter.
just press AT and tab.
Tap.
Yeah, enter. Yeah, so this is where you're supposed to be. So, re-edit it, go into insert,
Okay.
and then use your directional key, go in from the bash. Your clicking is not going to work in here. Use your directional key, the directional key on your keyboard.
Or is it a arrows?
Yeah, the arrows that goes right, left, up, and down, those are your
Yeah.
directional keys.
Mm.
So use the one that go right and then go in front of the bash.
Yeah, trying to do it though. It's like it's now.
Yeah, there you go. One more, enter, enter. Okay, now you're gonna pull alter, colon, and then your name.
Mm.
The
Oh,
same
sorry.
colon, the same
Mm-hmm.
colon you were using to save. Okay, then your name.
So I should go close or I should give it
No,
space?
no, space. Yeah, yeah. Just regular typing, yeah. Okay, enter. And then purpose, colon, space. So you see the ATM simulation script that right below that line.
Mm-hmm.
Use your mouse and double click that whole line. Put your mouse there, your mouse. Okay, yeah. Double click it. The ATM, yeah, double click the whole line. Okay. Then click in front of the purpose where that white line is. Left click, right click on it. Okay, then say okay. Okay. So now use the down arrow key and go to the ATM. Okay, go right. Go to the beginning of that. Yeah. Go in front of the T and then erase that. Your backspace key. Keep erasing until you get in front of the other T in front of the script. Go
Go in
one
front.
more. Okay. Go one more. Okay, enter. All right. Now you put date. For the today's date. Guys, I hope you're following what we're doing. Enter. Okay, erase that. Backspace. Okay, that's good. So now you can save it. Enter. Okay. So you did something wrong before. That's why I was telling you no file phone.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
know what I did.
You know what you did, right?
Mm.
Yeah, because you know that what we did is different from what you did.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Okay. Guys, everybody on the same page? We're gonna execute the script now. Anybody still have an issue?
No, I'm
All
good.
right. All right. I'll take that as a yes. We're all good. So, what do we need to do to execute the script? General question. Anybody can answer. But Amara, just give it a minute or so. If nobody answer, then you can answer the question.
I didn't really hear the questions.
What do we need to do to execute the script? Since
Oh,
we
okay.
finished editing it. General question. What is needed? One important step is needed. Gordon, you want to give it a shot?
Yeah, I think you have to give it up as a front slash and then no a dot, the front slash, then the name of the file. Any SH.
Okay, Benu, please do what Gordon is saying.
Let me see. I don't know how can I
You
remember.
said?
Gordon, repeat what you're saying. Let Benu execute it.
A dot, front slash, then let's see, the file name.
Is it ATM script.sh?
No, yeah,
Or my name?
the file name, the one that ends in the the .sh, the ATM stuff. I don't know
Do
what
I
else.
need space or I should just
The space. No space,
No,
no
no,
space, please. No
no
space.
space.
No space.
okay.
I don't know what I will become, but that's what I can do, man. Just press the tab key, everything will come automatic, and they'll see it.
It's okay. Mm-hmm.
If I try this, put it there.
Enter?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
And then say,
Permission
put it
wrong.
there.
Okay, Chris,
Permission denied. Put it there.
permission denied. You don't have to.
Okay.
Because you don't have
Permission
Why
to
do we have
denied
work.
permission denied, guys?
You don't
because we
have full
haven't given the
permission.
executable power, right?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
that's
So
That's
it.
the first thing you need to do when you write a
okay,
script. After you edit your script, fine-tuning everything, you have to give it an execution permission before that script will be able to run.
okay, I missed a step. So yeah, you can go
That
back.
is the step I was asking for.
You
So
can
show her how to give her the execution.
all right. So Chimo, CHMOD. Yeah. Then plus give it a space. Let us give it space. Plus X.
Right?
Yeah, plus X space the name of the file.
Mm.
You did not type the name of the file, then you hit enter, and what are you doing?
Oh, sorry. I was trying to. Okay. Can I erase it? Yeah.
No, you just yeah, you can just go by and tap over
Okay.
there. But hey, just continue what you are writing the chemo plus X and the file name there. Okay.
Enter.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Mhm.
So then what do we do next now?
All
For
right,
the dash slash where?
Yeah.
let me
Just
see.
say now we can run
No,
the script.
you can LL to see, and then if you see that we have that asterisk mark on it, then you know that it has.
Yeah, with 10 green. Okay, with that star mark. Okay. So that means you have executable now.
Mhm.
What's next?
So now the one we were doing at first, where we were putting that plus, dot front slash and then the file name. They give it that one. Give it a try.
You use your up arrow key and record it, Bendo. Learn to do that. Keep going until you find a command.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not this one. Yeah, this one.
Enter.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. All right. So you remember the pin that was in our script? What was the pin?
Uh-huh.
1, 2,
It
3,
was 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Yeah. So
Enter that pin.
24.
You're not gonna see anything typing on here, so don't think that you're not typing it. Okay. Pin verify your balance is $1,000. How much you want to withdraw?
Power.
Okay, for 500.
Wow.
Enter.
Enter. Mm-hmm. Okay. Please collect your cash. remaining balance is 500. The script is done.
Hmm.
So rerun the script and then pull $2,000 and see what will tell you if you want to withdraw 2,000. Or let's start with the pin first. Enter the wrong pin number on purpose. Recall the script command
I
and
tried it. I
rerun it.
entered the wrong pin number. It said access denied.
So I should go
Yeah.
Okay.
back.
Yeah, rerun the script. Let's keep focus on one. Okay, this one on one screen, guys. Everybody will try it out. Okay, we'll play around with it. Enter. Okay, so enter the wrong pin number and see what it tells you.
Access
You see
denied.
there? Access denied. F5. Directly the ATM close in front of you.
Wow.
Okay. So let's go to the amount. Enter the record the script again. The command. Enter. Put the right pin number 1234. And then say you want to withdraw 2,000. See what it will tell you. Enter. Insufficient funds.
Insufficient.
Okay. This is how your ATM works. That's what is done in the back end. That's the logic. Okay. All right. So let's move on to Kuna Benu. Thanks for sharing. Kuna, please share your screen.
Going on right here.
All right.
You see my screen?
Play your screen. Play your screen small. You got 2 minutes stuff going on. Okay. All right. So before we execute anything here, let's go in your script. VI into your script. We're gonna change some parameters in there. Okay. The word I was looking for was variables. Guys, I couldn't even help me with that small word. Variables. Yes, you do this in your advanced math. Variables. When you assign a variable to something, you stick on it. So,
But Chris, you were mentioning the variable when you were even
What you
speaking. I
call
don't know
it
why you
though?
said you were making
oh
you
yeah,
forgot. You were mentioning the variable, yeah.
You call variable.
okay. No, I call variable. Okay. Yeah, variable was the word I was looking for. You assign a
You call
variables,
it.
and that variables will implement inside the entire script. All right. So we're gonna change the variable for the correct pin. Change that pin number to any number you want.
All right. Okay, I got insert. Okay.
Okay. You can increase your balance. You can get richer. You can get poorer.
Okay, I want 0 to A.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the only two variables the entire script is working with, so we gotta keep it to that. All right, you can save it.
E. WQ.
Okay. So on execute the script.
Right.
So you can all right, give me 1 second. Let me respond to the call, okay?
Mhm.
Okay. So yeah, withdraw. Why you got okay, you got 10,000. Okay. How much you want to withdraw?
Let me do one, 2.
Okay. You
I'm
can pay your
going,
rent.
going enjoy Friday.
Let me put small. Let me put small point on it. No, you can't
Okay.
get. You
No,
get
try and see. Try and see. You
nah,
don't know.
at the ATM you don't get a point.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Maybe on an ATM different.
See? So your balance is $8,800.
8,800.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
That's how it.
So let's go back to that script. Let alter a couple of things there. Okay. So go all the way down to the bottom of the script. Okay. No. Go in front of that balance. Not the FI. Go all the way in front of the balance. Keep going. Past the quotation mark. Okay, enter. Okay, say echo,
Mm-hmm.
space, quotation mark. Please take your receipt. Quotation close. FI. Okay, save that and go execute and see if that message will populate. Enter. All right, so rerun it and then we'll draw some more money. Okay.
300, 360.
Okay. Yeah, please take your receipt. You see the
Yeah.
message there?
Just take a receipt. Yep.
So you can just mess around with the script. You can just ask it to do different things. All right, let's move on to the next person. Thanks for sharing. Carlton, you ready for us? Okay,
I
Amara.
don't have this, I don't have the system prepared for that, okay?
Okay, Amara, please share your screen. Benningo will come to you next.
All right. I can't. Gosh. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen right now.
Okay. Can you increase your font size a little bit? It's very small. Okay, yeah, that. Whoa. That's too big now. Reduce it small. Yeah, that's good right there. That's good. Thank you. Yeah, you can go. Let's go into your script. Did you change stuff in it already?
No.
Okay, let's go into it and change some stuff. Perfect. You can change your PIN number if you want. Um,
Yeah.
make sure you don't forget it. Um, because if you forget it, no, it should be
It
4 digit.
can be full.
Yeah.
I just stick to
Uh,
1, 2, 3, 4.
okay. You can change the account balance if you want. You can add to some of the messages just to kind of move things around a little bit. Whoa, and then got rich.
Hey, very real.
1 million. Okay. All right. So that changed the name of the ATM. Okay, that changed it to a bank name. Welcome to so Bank ATM.
Bank of America.
No. I don't let that bank in there.
Oh, do West Fargo?
Echo Bank.
Oh, you can
Okay,
get it.
right.
Amara Bank. You want own your own bank?
Let's do an echo bag.
Okay, Echo Bank. Let's go. All right. So
ATM.
move
Yeah.
that there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So you want to say incorrect pin access denied. I want you to edit that sentence, that output.
Why do you want me to put it?
Access denied. Go home.
Your money finish.
Money
For
finish, go
incorrect
home.
pin, access denied,
No,
right?
yeah, incorrect pin, access denied. Go home. Leave everything there.
Or as a deny thanks.
No, no, you can put a period there. You can put a period there. That's fine. Yeah, yeah, create a new sentence in front of it. Yeah.
Go home.
Yeah, please go home.
Or
You want to be
or
nice? Say,
or
please go home.
thanks for
Put an
doing business with
exclamation
you,
mark there
or see
too.
you again.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. What else can you mess around with? Yeah, let me leave it as that. Somebody else can change something else. So save it, save it. Oh, you can put your message down there, the one that say after you withdraw the cash, please take a receipt or whatever you want to put there. No, yeah. So go in front of balance, go in front of balance, in front of the quotation mark where balance is. Just go down.
The last, yeah, right there.
Okay, go in front of the quotation mark.
In front of the quotation.
You going left, should be going right. The quotation mark after balance. One more space.
Right there?
Space.
Enter.
No, no. Yeah, enter, enter,
Okay.
enter. Then write another echo command. Okay.
Probably not get what to do. Hmm.
All right. Can tell me the messages in there. Please take a receipt or have a nice day. It was nice seeing you. Something. Just put something
Or
nice in there.
bye, see you again.
There you go. The account is loaded.
Small, meron na small loading yo.
Mm-hmm.
I think I can do this right here and then yeah.
Yep. So you can close that now, save and quit, and then go execute. All right. Now you can run the script. To your ping. Yeah, welcome to Echo Bang. There you go.
Oh
The
no,
valid amount.
no,
You didn't put any amount, you hit enter, that's why.
3 full enter and let's do 300K.
Right.
People, what you going to do with the money to
Hmm.
get car?
I'll leave Bugatti.
Ah, Lord.
You can get Lamborghini.
For calling money name, get money na wata.
Mm,
You need one more zero. But 300K, that's 3,000, that's 30,000 for over there.
that money
I
still
haven't
plenty.
had, that's all right. I kind of slow that.
Your account is loaded. So you see that you guys, I just want you to grab the concept, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's just the concept. That's how these things works. Okay. All right. Thanks for sharing, Amara. Abenigo, please share your screen. We
Okay.
got to 10 o'clock, then we're gonna take a break and then come back. Share your screen, man.
You see my screen, right?
Yeah. Increase your font size just a little bit, if you don't mind.
Okay.
You can Amara show you how you did yours. You can do this or you can use a keyboard to do that. Go all the way down, second to the last. Yeah. Hey, that's
Is it
good.
okay?
That's good right there. Yeah, that's
Okay.
good. All right. So go in there, edit the script
Yeah,
to
I
your
did some
liking.
editing.
You already did some editing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, okay. I see you. Okay, okay. You know the book. Okay, save it. Let's see. Go execute. Execute. Let's see. Let's see what you got. Okay. All right. Perfect. Please collect your receipt and leave. Welcome by here at any time. Please don't count your money in front of the ATM. We won't steal from you. Ah, my man. That's money. Enjoy your money and go back to work on Monday.
They say people that can
But
count money in front of ATM, they got trust issue.
Seriously.
the thing is, how sure are you that on the weekend the person will join our money? They tell you to go back to work on Monday. Why if that Tuesday they withdraw the money?
They don't have the money.
All right. That's interesting. That's interesting. So guys, yeah, have fun with these things. Have fun with it. Just who else have the system set up and want to share the screen? Anybody? Mr. Willie, are you able to share with us? You unmute him. Okay. Apparently he's not even on. So Teddy, you still having Wi-Fi issue, right?
Let me show you, man. Let me show you, man.
Uh, for now, yes.
Okay.
I'm monitoring. I think I'll try to switch sync out maybe tomorrow because Orange not doing too well.
This is what I got.
Okay. Go to your home directory, CD home, CD space / home altogether. Enter. Run LL for me. Enter. Yeah, so you did not create the directory. You did not create the script. All right. So type mkdir, that is make directory, space, bash. No / just bash. Bash, space and bash, space. You need the space. BASH, underscore. No, underscore, not dash, underscore. Okay, and then scripting. Okay, enter. Now LL. Okay, now you're gonna CD in a directory just created. CD space bash. And just hit your tab button, it will populate. Tab button on your left hand side there, TAB. Enter. Okay. So now you don't have anything in here yet. So VRM
Yeah.
space ATM underscore trip dot sh. Enter. Okay, hit the letter I. Okay, now go to the group chat and go grab the script I posted in there. Go copy and paste it in here.
The research. Okay.
You can just right click. Okay. Now, just save it. Escape. Escape on your keyboard, press the escape key. And then you press shift and colon together. Shift and colon together. Colon is the key right after the letter L. So you press that key and shift together. Okay. Now WQ. Enter. Okay. Now write CHMOD space plus the letter X. No, X, not S, X. No, lowercase. Space. ATM and then tab. ATM, hit your tab key. Enter. All right. Now, period forward slash. Forward slash, not F, forward slash.
Oh,
Okay, just take ATM and then hit the tab key again. Enter. Now the script is running now. Your password was, your PIN was 1234, enter.
I'm not seeing it.
Yeah, you won't see it, just 1234 and enter. Okay.
Okay.
So your balance is 1,000. How much you were drawing? Okay, enter. The balance is 650. Script is done. So you didn't have the whole thing and you didn't let us know that you were leaving behind. The thing about this class is very easy for you to be left behind. So when you're having any difficulties, feel free to ask.
Sure.
Okay?
Ah,
Go
Yeah,
edit.
just feel free to ask. We try to get everybody on board so that we all can be on the same page.
Go edit the script.
Huh?
Saying go edit the script.
Yeah, you can edit it now, change some things around and execute, but at least you're able to do it.
Let's go.
Okay, somebody got a hand up. My admin got his hand up.
Hey Chris, how you doing?
Good, AB, welcome.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I mean, just want to commend this. This is a very good logic. I thought to just blow it out. Then this is awesome. Learning the logic for this, it helps you understand how ATM's transaction work in the back end. How all of those things are being coded together. So if you see ATM machine, it shouldn't be like a rocket science to you anymore, right? Because that's the simple logic that behind everything. Yeah, but wait a minute, is that the money you're gonna blow off today? Because your account it says 50 though.
no.
Yeah, Chris, I just want to say that. Thank you.
Okay. There was a few people that had issue with the servers rather from the back end. So I had to spin up temporary servers on my account for them to do this. So maybe you can look at those later on. It was Bindu, Kona, Amara, and I think somebody else. Was that it? Yeah, you're right.
Now, what happened to their server?
Well, we couldn't ping it. They couldn't add position to it. We could not ping it. And I didn't want to take the whole, time trying to figure out when I didn't have access to the back end. So I just spin up temporary servers on my account, and that's what they're using right now.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to work on it right now.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna take
address in the chat, please. your
Yeah,
biggest
those of you
server addresses.
that had an issue with the server that AB gave you, please put the address in the chat so he can grab it and look at it. We're gonna take a 20-minute today part. We're taking 15-minute break because I can't even eat my true correct. Said the break already over. So we'll take 20-minute break and then we'll come back and then we can wrap it up from there. Okay.
Mm.
Thank you, everybody. I will display the timer so we can keep track of it. Every time I put it over here, you can give me a hard time.
AB, you want us put our server in the chat for you to look at it?
Yes, the server IP addresses.
Okay.
Put it there. I just put mine there.
Okay.
Well,
Conan, I think you put over there that the private IP address and then your public.
Mm.
all right, guys. The 20-minute break start. Me, I need to go eat. So those of you that still need to be on AP, you can go ahead. I'll catch you in a little bit.
AB,
Hey, Wayne, how you doing?
yeah, bro. Let me share my screen with you. And join me to something here.
Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me set up the people server quick. Yeah. All right. Let me start with Beno. Conan put it on later, then I can do that. I'll be that Conan and yourself are staying in your you must all be sharing the same thing. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So I know we all used to this command to write script, to run script, right? This, right? And then you put your script name, right? You can also just use bash and the name of the script, and then you'll run. The reason why using bash, your instructor will tell you, following the class, but I just want to bring it up because the script that you're writing, before you write a script, you see that stuff that can be up. We call it what? Let me see if we have any script here. Shebang, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I told him about it.
Okay, so that's the reason why you're running the bash. You see here? So when you run the bash is calling that environment, that this is a Shebang environment. So you just run the bash in the name of your script will execute successfully. All right. So you can use two ways. You can use this, we call it the dot and the / to get in your script, but you can also use the bash. But make sure your script is executable. Yeah. Let me see whose server is this. Who am I? I'm root. I'm not Conan. Conan does not have an account here. Okay. I see Conan. That's still your script, but your script right here. Find your script. Bash.
No, you got a CD in that directory.
Oh, it's the directory, my bad. CD into bash. Bash scripting. And then I do bash. And I do ATM. I don't have permission to execute a script.
LNC. But Conan, the script doesn't have any content.
Yeah.
That different. Something in there now. The IP address is
Where I should be Conan? Sorry, I went in the wrong place.
the one are working. The one we were working in, the one I ends in 104. That is a 35.171.158.
Okay. Is it in home? Is it in the home directory?
Yes, in the home directory.
Do I have to CD in Ubuntu?
Yeah.
Nope, nothing is here.
Oh,
Let me go back and see. Okay, maybe were you root then when you're running this? Were you root?
I was rude, yeah.
Well, is that the server you used to run your script earlier on?
Which server is that?
The
No,
one
it's Genesis
you
2.
use?
Oh no, my bad. Because Chris is spinning up a server for them, right? Yeah.
The one that Chris for
Yes.
me, I mean,
Oh, okay. All right. So yeah, I was getting it, Yeah, I was getting it different. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the one they had from last week was not working. So but those servers is gonna be no more after this class because that's on my account.
Yeah. So you guys,
So
so what you
yeah.
can do is just migrate, right? Take all that node that you put in there, it's already in your Zoom. I mean your what do you call it? Your WhatsApp chat, right? It's in your WhatsApp chat. So just take that and be able to copy in, to migrate it to the server because that creates private account. So you're going to decommission that. So you guys, if you don't do migration, you're going to decommission you. So try to move everything.
I wonder those servers they're not gonna be able to communicate right because they don't have the same key pair.
Yeah, I mean, it will just be like a manual migration for them, right? They'll just copy whatever they have on that server and then just put it in here.
Yeah, I was thinking more of the using the SCP way. So I'm asking whether they will be able to communicate or not.
So
The one that spin up for them and the one that they had before.
they can. So what you do, you got to open the firewall over there to allow anything, right? Then they can use the SCP to copy.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll be a good exercise.
Yeah, open the firewall and then they will allow the SCP to copy. Yeah. Once that firewall is open, then yeah, you can use the SCP command to do a copy, and then the life will be easy. Yeah. So let me see. But before that, I mean, Chris, I'm all set though. If you want me to take the rest of the meeting, I'll just leave it for question for anybody. Yeah, just
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So since
yeah.
you're already yeah, it's just question time, guys. The class was kind of straightforward today. We didn't BS around too much. We just went straight to the point. So um if you have any question, anything that you want to know about what we cover or something a little outside of that, not too outside of it, you can ask those questions and yeah, we're here to answer your question. If you're going to ask question, I'll start asking questions.
Yep. And also,
Yeah.
I will. You guys can go ahead with question too. After everybody ask a question, then I can walk you through something very quick for it to be a plus for your scripting today as well.
Maybe.
Uh,
Somebody was saying something, Bindu?
yeah, you say you're going to go over the class this going Saturday about some of us wasn't able to install the Splunk. I know.
Oh,
Yeah, we did that.
yeah.
You were out. You were out.
Yeah, I know. Right.
All right. Yeah, we'll find a time, Beto. We'll find a time. That video hasn't been up yet because there's a little and those stuff going on with Zoom. I don't know why. That's why you haven't been available on the website yet. But yeah, I'll talk to Chris. We'll
I
find a
don't
time.
think it was Benu
Yeah.
alone, so I told them you were gonna
Yes.
go over it tomorrow now.
Oh yeah, sure thing. Then I can use tomorrow to.
Yeah, because most of it is already done. It's just kind of integrating those two and something. For me, I have not installed Splunk yet because of storage space on my computer. So I need
Okay.
to kind of repartition my disks and add more according to it. More
Yeah.
space to it rather.
Okay. Yeah.
AB. Yeah, AB.
Yep, sir.
Yeah, for me, my main concern is the Grafana because I think I installed my Splunk yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I went to my Grafana. I tried YouTube. I want YouTube to get it done, but it was a little bit difficult. So
Yeah. The thing about YouTube is good, it's friendly, but if you don't understand what you're doing on YouTube, then you get stuck. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna cover that tomorrow. Chris said he's gonna give the time, then we can cover that. All right.
yeah, but tonight's video will be uploaded before morning hour to me because I was just
It will be within 24 hours because there's a downtime going on right now. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be uploaded within the morning time to yours, but it's gonna be within 24 hours. Right. And I will update you guys in your chat as soon as they get posted. All right. So I want to ask a question, right? Probably you guys have seen this before. Can you guys see the server I'm logging right now? I know that put on a server I'm still in here though. Can you guys see my screen?
Can you zoom this more?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see your screen. Yeah.
All right. Zoom. Yeah, okay. It's on now. Is it large enough? Right?
It's okay.
Okay. So a question. So have any one of you here, right, go to your job site? Let's say you log on your job computer, your work computer to do HR stuff, right? To check your timesheet, or you try to log into the computer, and then the first thing that display, right, it giving you a warning, a cautious warning. Have you seen or experienced anything like that before? I have. Chris also have every day. And anybody in this class encounter such before in the system? You log into your computer, and then you log into a job computer to do your timesheet or something, and then it give you a warning. It said this is a personal property of your work, like your company, ABC company, right? Proceed with caution. Security warning. You are being monitored. How many of you have seen it?
Yes, I've seen it before, maybe. Normally, it is done
Yeah,
at job,
I've seen it before too. Comment.
You normally have this kind of stuff at work, like the work computer. When you sign it, tell you don't do a lot, just what you're supposed to do. And at some point, when you even want to go to Google, it's just something different. I mean, everything is just centered around the job and their website.
Okay. All right. So we call that, how we set it up, right? We call that a MOTD. MOTD. We call the measures of the day. You understand? Because, the security team, right, don't work with you in your department. You understand? They don't work with you when you're working 24/7, right? When you're about to access the property, they are not there looking at you. So they leave something on the system that will caution tax you. You understand? And tell you that you are being monitored, or this is a personal property of ABC company or ABDA, let's say. Proceed with caution, right? Just to kind of put you on your guard that you cannot use that computer to watch your YouTube video. You cannot use that computer to access Facebook, to access any other social media platform or anything that you're not supposed to do, right? Because it is a personal property of that organization or institution. So when you see those meshes, you might wonder, how is it then put on that screen, right? And as a system administrator, when I say system administrator, I'm referring to you now based on the course that you're on right now, right? So as a system admin, when you are administering server or when you are setting up system, you also responsible, for how the system is being set up as a system admin. You understand? So when you see those things, it is very common. We can do it. We can set it up right by ourselves, and that's the less than 20 minutes or 15, 19 minutes we have. I just want to walk us through the process very fast, right? How we set up MOTD messages on our system, and how we utilize those, the messages to make our server to be very effective to end users. Okay, so let us quickly do that and then see how it works. I believe, I should have the time to cover it up. So that far, if you look at my server, right, everybody, you can CD into your etc and or call it etc directory. CD in your etc directory. So CD/etc, your etc directory, and then list the contents. There are a lot of things you're gonna see, right? And then if you're looking, you'll be looking for what we call MOTD. I know there are a lot of stuff you're going to see in here, but we're going to be looking for MOTD. Host, init, stuff like that. Login, modules, password, shadow. So I just found mine. It's going to be what we call update. You see what I highlighted here? You guys see this? Update MOTD, the D. Can we see that?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay. If you see it, I want you CD into that. So CD into update MOTD.D. All right. And then you ls. Are we there?
Ain't go. Mm.
When you see the into that, what we're going to be looking for is we're going to be looking for what we call
Okay. Yeah. D.
let me clear my screen so everybody space on list. So in MOTD in this folder, when I do pwd, I'm in xcd update MOTD.d, right? So we're gonna be CD into this 50 MOTD news. So CD into 50 that it's not CD. I don't think it's CD. It's actually a file in there. So we're gonna VI into 50
into 50 what?
MOTD news. You see my screen? Yeah. And then we hit enter.
Yeah.
If you said
Uh-huh.
VI 50 Dash
MOTD.
MOTD dot what?
Let me go back real quick.
Or news. Okay.
You're
Slash.
gonna be that in here. You're gonna say VI in here.
Jimmy,
Yep.
mom is telling me no. Okay.
But I mean, enter into the 50 dot landscape dot system info.
Telling me search
So
for
50 MOTD news right here. You VI
Oh,
into
50
this.
MOTD news. Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah. What did you say?
when I enter CD scroll etc scroll and I say bash CD no search file or directory.
Okay. What is the path? Which folder you in or which directory you in right now?
Account. Should I give my
Do PWD, right? Do enter this command PWD and tell me and enter and tell me and read your directory to me. That will tell you where you are.
172?
Which directory are you in? Are you in you're supposed to be in this directory etc update -motd -d. Is that a directory you're in? You're gonna be in fc update -motd.d. That's what it's supposed to be.
PDW is a root. Then
Okay, so you are not there yet. So let me go back and start all over. All right, look at my screen. Are you root already? Do you have this pound sign?
yep.
Okay, so cd /etc
CD PWD
etc/update -motd-d. This is the path I want you to put, and then you hit enter. It will put you in this path. All right. Are we there? I'm putting something in the Zoom chat here. Not in the Zoom chat, I'll put it in the WhatsApp chat. So you can copy it and put it in there so we can set it up. All right. But I want everybody to be in that directory first. Guys, we got 10 minutes to go. Let's hurry up. That's the meshes. We will copy that meshes and put it in there, but we'll all get to that point. So do ls if you find yourself in that directory, and then you're going to VI in here. All right. VI in there. VI 50. When you do 50, you just hit your top key. It will 50.mo. It'll put everything there for you. 50-mo, you hit the top key, it will spell everything out for you. And then you press enter. You see there? Once you press enter, it will bring you in here. You understand? It will bring you in here. All right. So this is what we're going to do. Let me show you something. I'm going to log into it. So one of the computer to just display, what we're doing in here. So let me log into American system here. You're not using this right now. I'm not going to override anything. I'm just going to log into it. All right. Please permit me. So SSH, the username is Ubuntu, advanced SSH. Oh. ABDA management. All right. So you see, it says welcome, to Ubuntu, something like that, right? Welcome to Ubuntu, documentation, system information, system information, update, apply, all of this stuff, right? So when we log into our computer, that screen should appear to tell us that, okay, this is this computer, and this is what, let be very cautious what we're doing in here, right? As a student, that's the kind of measures we're trying to set up. All right. Are we in that file, guys?
Yes, I'm in Alpha.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so if you are in that file, Coda, you are the only person that that gave me green light. Can somebody else confirm?
Yeah,
Yes, I'm there too.
Okay, good. Awesome. Now we're about to execute something in there. So let me go back again so we can all see. Oh, I'm not going to save anything. So ls, I'm in MOTD news. This is where we're going to update this. So in other system, if you cannot see news, you will be seeing warnings, right? 00 warnings. Meaning in warnings, you can also put that information that I sent in the chat in that warnings, okay? That's what we're going to do. So if you are not seeing warning, if you are all seeing news, then we're good, right? Then we are good. So VR into that area, everybody. Are you gonna VR into that and let me know that you're in there, please? So the reason you VR into this, if you are already VR into this, is 50 MOTD news. This meshes here, guys. You see here? This meshes. Yeah, this is about the meshes. Anything you put in here, that's what will display on your screen, right? But because this area is a system, information, we don't want to delete anything in here, right? You understand? We do not want to delete anything in here. So what we're going to do is we will disable this and add our own in here. So get out of this file the same way you do it. Escape colon, quit, and then get out of that. And then you do touch, right? Do touch. create a file. You're going to create a file. So you're going to do touch. And then you do system warning. And then you make the script to be go back again, touch system warning.sh because that script. So you got to put .sh. And then you're going to make that script executable. So you're going to say chmod plus x. And then you're going to say system warning-sh. So you have made that script executable. So this script here is what we're going to put in our meshes. All right. And then we'll put in our meshes. We'll disable the MOTD and then run the script. All right. We'll disable the MOTD and run the script. Guys, make sure let's do this in 10 o'clock. If it's 10 o'clock already, I'm going to pause here and then we'll resume tomorrow because I don't want to exceed 10 o'clock here. So create this script. When you create that script, you VI into the script system warning.sh, and then the one that I sent, the message that I sent in the Zoom chat. You remember I sent a message in the Zoom chat, right? You're going to add, all you're going to add to this message is very simple. Why my mouse is freezing? My computer is freezing, not in my mouse. So you're going to add for insert, you're going to add this /b/sh. All right.
You say you put something in this.
Yeah, I put a message in your WhatsApp chat today.
Okay.
Yeah. So take home. Let me put take home because we cannot do the thing after 10. So you already created this script, class. You created this script. I want you VI into this script that you created and type this in it, and then add the message that I sent you in a Zoom chat. Copy that message and add it into it like this. I'm going to send it again so you see it. So you right click. This was the message I sent in the Zoom chat. So you just copy it and paste it. You see that? That is the message. Everybody do that, and then you save it. Do most research to execute this because we left with 5 seconds now to execute it, but I want you to do it as a take home. So once you do that, when you come tomorrow, I'm going to ask how many persons have executed it and try to log into their system to see that message display on their system. If not, I'm going to execute it, but I just want you guys to do a take home because it's already 10 o'clock now on the dot. So the file is called system warning.sh. Create that file. VI into the file. The message that I sent in the Zoom chat, I'm also going to, not the Zoom chat, the WhatsApp chat, which I'm also going to send another one again. Copy that and paste it in there. And then you save it. You can do a further research to execute that. But before you execute it, make sure you give it an executable permission. So that is it. It's 10:02. I'm going to stop the class here, and tomorrow I'm going to make sure for those of you that would execute this successfully. If not, then I will share my screen to do the first start on this to execute it so we can all see the essence of why we need MOTD set up on our system, just to give our cautions as to how our end users are logging into system. All right. I'm going to pause the video now. Two minutes for questions. If not, then we close the class. Then tomorrow we can proceed on this. But I want people to run this because we're already done with this. That script, you only need to give that script an executable permission. Once you give it an executable permission, you can execute the script. The script will run.
So the question is, I did the first one, the one that has to do with a warning. This is the personal property of this. And then what did you say we should do with the next script?
You created the script already, right? There's just one script we're doing. In this file is what we put in this. Hold on. In this file is what we put in. Oh, my bad. I didn't put the .sh. DDR system .sh is what we put in this. You see here? Yeah. That's the only thing I want you to put in there. And then save it. Do a research to be able to execute that. I want you to see your executing it because the only thing that left is to make this executable, and then you execute that script. When you execute a script, you're supposed to see when you log into your system, you're supposed to see the warning sign, giving you cautions. If not, then I will complete that step tomorrow because it's 10:04 already. I don't want to take more time, and we're going to stop here. Okay. Quota, also, I'll be able to check that stuff tonight as well. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. All right, class. Chris, thank you. We're going to stop here for today. Tomorrow, we're going to do that Splunk stuff. And then the first thing we're going to start with tomorrow is this, to make sure that we have this executed. All right.
Yeah, AB, thanks.
I will call you right after we drop.
Okay. No, you know what? Let me take it a couple of things there. I will call you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, but thanks for the addition. Guys, thanks for the class today. It was pretty much interesting. Please, you already have, the script, play around with scripting, get more comfortable with it, do some